There comes a moment in life when everything you built turns to dust. One day, you're standing tall, convinced you have it all figured out. The next, you're staring at the wreckage, wondering how you ended up here. A job lost, a relationship shattered, a dream slipping through your fingers. You reach for stability, but the ground beneath you crumbles like sand. But listen to me carefully. This is not where your story ends. This is where it truly begins. What if I told you that the version of yourself who's been torn down was never meant to last? That this breaking point is not a punishment, but an invitation. An invitation to rise, not as the man you were, but as the man you were always meant to be. Today, I'll show you exactly how to rebuild your life from the ashes. Step by step, thought by thought, action by action. But first, I need you to understand something critical. Rock bottom is not your enemy. Rock bottom is your raw material. Rock bottom is not your final chapter. It's the birthplace of your transformation. The world may have knocked you down, but what you do next will define everything. And trust me, you have more power than you think. Step 1. Radical acceptance. Own your reality. The first step to rebuilding isn't fighting your circumstances, it's embracing them. Most people waste years in denial, blaming others, or wishing things were different. But the moment you face your truth head on, you reclaim your power. Say it with me. This is where I am, but this is not where I'll stay. Own your failures. Own your mistakes. Because only when you acknowledge where you are can you begin to rise. Step 2. Let go of the dead weight. Rock bottom has a way of exposing what's been holding you back. Fake friends, toxic habits, limiting beliefs. You cannot climb out of a hole while clinging to the baggage that put you there. Ask yourself, what do I need to leave behind? Is it self-doubt, procrastination, the need for validation? Let it go. Cut the anchors and rise. Step 3. Shift from victim to warrior. You are not a victim. You are a warrior in the making. Every setback, every loss, every painful moment, it's training you for something greater. Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Ask, what is this teaching me? Instead of saying, I have nothing left, say, I have a blank slate to create something new. Your mindset is the difference between staying broken and coming back stronger. Choose strength. Choose to fight. Step 4. Set ruthlessly simple, daily wins. Rebuilding your life isn't about some grand overnight transformation. It's about small, relentless steps. When everything feels overwhelming, shrink your focus. Make your bed. Exercise for 10 minutes. Apply to one job. Read for 5 minutes. Drink water. These small wins create momentum, and momentum breeds confidence. Every tiny step forward is a battle won. Step 5. Build a routine that forces growth. Discipline is your salvation. At rock bottom, you don't need motivation. You need structure. Your mind craves stability. Your body craves order. Give it that. Your daily non-negotiables. Morning reflection. Start with gratitude and purpose. Physical training. Move. Sweat. Get stronger. Mental fortitude. Read. Learn. Expand your mind. Fuel wisely. Your body and mind demand proper nutrition. One achievement. Do something productive every day. Discipline builds confidence. Confidence builds resilience. And resilience turns rock bottom into your launching pad. Step 6. Surround yourself with strength. You cannot afford to keep people in your life who drain your energy, fuel your doubts, or keep you stuck. Find people who make you better, mentors, disciplined friends, strong communities. Seek those who challenge you, not those who comfort your weaknesses. Elevate your circle, and you will elevate your life. Step 7. Find your higher purpose. Pain without purpose is suffering, but pain with purpose, that's fuel. The struggle you're facing right now, there's meaning in it. Maybe it's teaching you discipline. Maybe it's preparing you for a mission greater than yourself. Ask yourself, what lesson is hidden in this pain? How can I use this experience to become unshakable? What impact can I create from this? Your purpose is the fire that will carry you through the darkest nights. Find it, and nothing will break you again. Step 8. Take action, even when you're not ready. You will never feel fully prepared. You will never have all the answers. But waiting for the perfect moment is the same as choosing to stay stuck. Start messy, start scared, start unsure. Just start. The path reveals itself as you walk it. Step 9. Practice ruthless self-compassion. Rebuilding isn't a straight path. It's a battle. Some days you'll move forward. Some days you'll fall. That's okay. The only failure is quitting. Speak to yourself like you would to a warrior in training, because that's exactly what you are. Step 10. Trust the process. Your comeback story is unfolding. The darkest moments of your life are not punishments. They are invitations. Invitations to grow, to transform, to rise. Your future self, the one standing tall, unshakable, unstoppable, needs you to fight today. Keep going, keep pushing. The story you will tell one day starts with the choices you make right now. This is your moment. Take the first step and never look back. If this message hit home, drop a comment below. What's the one action you're taking today to rebuild? And if you know someone who needs this, share this video with them. Think about whether this channel is worthy of getting your love and support. If it is, don't hesitate. We will meet in the next video. Until then, keep evolving.